Alright.
Fuck,
Oh,
I thought
yeah.
we'd go over that.
Yeah. It did. Alright, I got it.
Okay. I'm actually stuck on it. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I did not think that that would go that poorly.
Hold on, let me get back in.
You need shit ton of gas for thrusters, man.
Yeah.
Oh, the
It's so fucking bad.
Yeah, it's...
I imagine, but it's worth for the ability to cross water.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
It's annoying because it's a way to get a lot of oil quicker, but it also costs a lot of oil to do.
Yeah, exactly.
I
So
imagine
it's
you don't
just
get
like,
you don't get that much
cool.
oil that much quicker. I suppose you can like park it up top and then like go up and like store.
Well, yeah,
it.
what you do is you just like...
Yeah, park it on the surface.
You
You still have to refine it unless you bring a refiner bot.
Yeah. I mean, you gather the crude oil. Oh, that was smooth.
Dude, I love this vehicle. I used it actually a lot.
No,
But,
this thing's,
after
this thing's a
I-
gangster mobile.
Yeah, if you
It is, but I stranded in the middle of the lake and it was horrible. That's
Oh,
why
yeah,
there are
no,
shit
it's-
ton
Oh,
of
right, I
oil
have to keep
in
these
the
on while I'm still in the...
chest. There are over, you
Is
should
that where you got
put
the idea to
what?
tie the thrusters to the bearings so that it would turn with it?
Mm-hmm.
Because otherwise you just shoot forward all the time, right? Like.
Yep, exactly.
What I've seen people do, and it's not a good idea, is putting it on the bearings, but I've seen people hook up different buttons to different thrusters.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it is
This
like
is
you
just a
said,
better...
a bad
This is
idea.
literally
Mhm.
just a better idea. You have so much more... I want to see
Can we clear that? From the
That's
other
what I'm
side,
thinking.
maybe.
Not
you wanna
with
try
this
from the other
one,
side?
But you can
With the
try
other mobile, yeah, definitely.
Mhm.
I have to try it. I have to try it.
Give it enough distance, I think. Is that enough?
Also, the other side has the ramp. This side doesn't have, so
Oh, there's a ramp on the other side?
yeah, it's slightly rampish.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's try it. Are we getting chased?
Nope, not right now.
It's in the right lane.
Oh. Let me just get lined up. Alright. Alright, I'm going backwards, derp. Oh god, it's so hard to steer!
Oh!
Almost.
Easy.
Almost.
Alright.